Making a tea made from garlic and saffron could potentially offer a variety of health benefits. Garlic tea benefits. 1. Potential benefits. Some other rumored benefits of garlic include prevention and treatment of cancer, weight loss, fighting infections, reducing cholesterol, disinfecting wounds, and relief from mouth ulcers too. However, these are not all backed up by research. Saffron tea benefits. 1. Antidepressant. Saffron has been found to be as effective as certain antidepressants in treating mild to moderate depression. 2. Heart health. Saffron may help to reduce blood pressure and provide protection against heart disease. It has been found to be effective in lowering cholesterol and triglyceride levels. 3. Rich in antioxidants. Saffron is rich in both antioxidants and flavonoid substances.